Hold on to your AirPods, folks, because it's Applepalooza in the tech world today. Our favorite tech giant from Cupertino has been all over the news with some very intriguing developments. Let's break it down. First on the agenda, we have an in-depth analysis of Apple's standing in the technology hardware, storage, and peripherals sector. If you're into the nitty-gritty of financial metrics, this is a goldmine. In a nutshell, Apple is looking quite good, but not without a few chinks in its armor. It seems analysts are showing Apple some love on the stock market, possibly seeing it as somewhat undervalued in certain aspects compared to its peers, at least when we peek at the price-to-earnings ratio. But wait, before you rush to grab those AAPL shares, there's the price-to-book and price-to-sales ratios, which may suggest that our friend Apple could be a bit overvalued on certain grounds. The real sizzle comes from Apple's seriously impressive return on equity. Whoa, hold your memoji. That means Apple knows how to handle its money to bring home the bacon. Not to mention its hefty earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, and gross profit figures, suggesting Apple's literally raking it in, even doing a MacBook Air sweep on profit margins. Now, the head-scratcher is the slower revenue growth rate. It trails behind the industry average like your grandma trying to navigate the latest iOS update. Does it mean anything? Maybe, maybe not, but it sure does keep analysts awake at night. Moving on to story number 2, a tech analyst's bold call on Apple's stock. This time the spotlight is on the AI-inspired magic sprinkled onto the iPhone 16. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives, ever the optimistic fellow, has got his rosy glasses on and predicts a 26% upside for Apple's stock, upping the target price to $325. According to Ives, Apple's entry into the consumer AI revolution with the iPhone 16 is going to be Cupertino's golden ticket straight out of Willy Wonka's chocolatier playbook. With Apple's AI suite in action, people aren't just about to line up at stores. According to Ives, we're heading into a multi-year iPhone supercycle bonanza. They're forecasting shipments reaching a record 240 million iPhones by 2025. If you're not already hugging your iPhone tight, perhaps it's time. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Ives has an entire crystal ball full of great things for Apple, including a potentially mind-bending $4 trillion market cap by 2025. Though they rolled out AI features later than others, Apple's gearing up for an epic play. The real-world supply chain whispers suggest beefy iPhone 16 sales during the Hop and Bop holiday season. So, what are your thoughts on all this Apple buzz? Are you as eager as your neighbor's watchdog keeping an eye on Cupertino's next move? Drop your thoughts, feedback, or generous espresso donations in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation rolling brighter than a MagSafe charge circle. You are what makes these tech news discussions vibrant and insightful, so don't be shy with those comments. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.